Hello, and welcome to your 5 helpful tips to fitness programming from a holistic health coach. Our society has so many food choices that it is easy to pack on the extra pounds. Also, our day-to-day jobs are less physical as they were 100 years ago, so we have more sedentary lifestyles. We know there are benefits involved when we exercise and cleaning up our nutrition. However, most of us don't know how or where to start. Don't forget to like the video, and click the first link in the description to get your complete video training guide on your helpful tips for nutrition and fitness programming from a holistic health coach. Now, let's get into answering your question. So where do we begin? Or is the question, how do we begin? The very first thing you need to do is go to your doctor, and get the approval to start exercising. Your doctor may also provide some helpful tips as well. After you get the okay from your doctor, try these 5 things to help you get started. 1. Make the choice to start exercising and eating right. Making the decision to do something provides a form of commitment you made to yourself. Deciding that you need to change behavior creates new possibilities. When you say to yourself, "I need to get in shape," it means something. You should be answering these questions in your mind. When can I work out? What exercises do I need to do? What foods should I be eating? Make yourself think about the commitment you just made. Only then you can let go of the past, and take steps to move forward. 2. Write down what you do. You need a reference that is realistic towards your weekly activity. Write down everything you do during the week. This should include work hours, commuting hours, nights spent with your spouse, your child's activities, and anything else you can think of that you do. You should also include what you do on weekends. You should make a list for each day of the week. Here's why. Some people set lofty goals like working out for 2 hours a day. This can be due to an old saying, more is better. However, this is not the case. Knowing your schedule will help you set realistic goals and help you find a few hours a week to start exercising. You'll have a visual perspective on what you can and can't do with your routine. 3. Research and gain information. Most people do not have enough information before they start a workout program. So how do we get the information we need? The good news is we live in the information age. Take advantage of your favorite search engine, and learn a little bit about fitness and nutrition. However, do not go overboard and lose focus. Find a source of information you like and take notes. Find the simplest and easiest workouts and nutrition tips. Don't overload yourself with information. You can also click the link down below to get a complete step-by-step guide to nutrition and holistic health. If you have the money, hire a personal trainer for a few sessions to help you get started. Hiring a personal trainer is a great way to get started because you have made a commitment to meet someone to work out. Your goal is to have the trainer show you the basics on exercise and nutrition. It may also be safer to learn how to perform the exercises, especially if you have not exercised for a while. 4. Create a simple plan, and set realistic goals. Keep it simple. Following a simple plan while on a hectic schedule is much easier than following an elaborate plan. You should have a plan of which days you want to work out, and a simple goal to change your eating habits for the next few weeks. For example, I will work out for a half an hour for 3 days this week. I will eat a little less food each meal. Simple is success. 5. Execute your plan. Now that you have a plan, all you need to do is follow it. This is another big step. You should look at your plan every day upon waking. You need be mentally prepared for the great day ahead of you. Having your daily schedule in hand will help you achieve your goals for the day. When you complete your workout for the day, highlight it, or cross it off your list. It will show you that you accomplished something for yourself. No matter what you must execute. This will be the hardest, and most rewarding, step. I hope these tips from a holistic health coach help you get started on a new life of holistic healthy living. Life is filled with making decisions, knowing your commitments, getting information, planning, and execution. Try these approaches for yourself and you will see that having your own workout and nutrition program is not as far-fetched or complicated as you think. Comment down below how you will apply these tips in your daily life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on more helpful information. For your lifetime access to your complete in-depth video training guide, just click the first link in the description below. I wish you all the best, and I will see you in the next video.